Hello there, I'm here today to show you this parcel wrapping machine. Now if you're anything like us and you're in e-commerce and you wrap a lot of parcels a day, if you wrap a few hundred parcels a day, if they're all this big you can probably do them by hand, it doesn't matter. If you've got some big ones, long ones, heavy ones, then eventually you're going to find yourself wanting something like this. And these are becoming more and more popular in the UK. And obviously they're made in China like everything else, and this is something that we bring in. And we're going to go through it. We're going to show you how it arrives, show you how to set it up, show you how it works, and show you everything you need to know if you fancy one of these for your packing station. So in a few minutes I'm going to show you how they come, because if you buy one of these it's going to come directly from the factory in China to you, and we will arrange all the mechanics of that. I'll show you in a moment. I'm going to show you how this works, what it does first. You can use your regular packing tape with it. We don't recommend it. It's usually 48mm, the standard packing tape that we use. There's a bigger tape like this that you get that's actually 45 wide. That's the standard size in China that they use on machines like these. We sell this as well. We sell packets of that. In fact, actually, we have a really good price on standard packing tape as well. You'll find links below. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll find links below to tape as well as the machine. So we're going to have a quick look at how the machine works first, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about how it's going to come, how you'll install it, and so on. So let's have a look how it works. So we'll just have a closer look at the machine. You've a foot pedal down here, a power button on the side, a control screen here I'll show you in a moment. This thing slides up and down to hold your parcels. And down here there's a couple of rollers and your tape. See, if you look at what's going on here with this particular parcel, this is really the kind of problem that you're going to stop, and this is the kind of thing where you're going to save money. Because as you'll find, some people are going to have a great deal of difficulty with stuff like this. This is exactly what the machine's designed to solve. So you arrive in the morning. It takes a moment to initialise on the screen. And you just need to reset it in order that it works. And then if we look down here, we just retract the cutter. The tape always comes off overnight. You put the tape like that, put the cutter back on the screen here, switch it to running, and you're ready to go. So, on with the parcel. And there's your parcel. Here's a good example of where these really come into their own. This is one product that we sell. It's in a long box, it's about 12 kilos, and we have to open it, put some stuff in it. So we have to band it back up with tape afterwards. Now if you've got women packing, this is going to be challenging, but not with this machine. Let's see how this works. So that's pretty good, isn't it? So if you order one of these, it'll come like this, on like a wooden crate, come pallet. It'll come straight from the factory in China with our shipping folks. We'll organise all that, we'll organise all the imports, and it'll just come straight to you. And as you can see, we've started unpacking this one already, but that's how it'll come. Let's take it inside and set it up. It's got wheels on like that, so you can just move it around, and it is narrow enough to go through a standard doorway. So it wheels in, it's got obviously little brakes on the wheels, you've got a pedal, comes with a UK plug. Looks a little bit low at first unpacking, don't panic about that, because if you turn it on its side, it will adjust, as we'll show you. They send with it a little toolkit like this with Allen keys, spanners, bits and bobs, a thing of oil, a spare blade, springs, various bits for the maintenance and assembly, and obviously the setup. because you're going to use one of those Allen keys to raise up the legs. So the legs come out like that. Now, something worth mentioning, what we've just found with this one, it's maybe had a little movement while it's been in the container. This leg's a little bit stiff, so we've got to take the top off here with a few bolts in order to be able to just get a block of wood behind it to knock it forward. So again, with something like this, because you're responsible for the installation, you need to have a couple of practical blokes in your place that can take care of odds and sods like this. So we've got all the legs adjusted now. I've just noticed with this, and I've just clarified, and I'm going to mention it here because you'll see it too. There's an extra wire here that doesn't seem to do anything, and it looks like an electrical cable. I've just asked the factory what it is. Apparently it's not electrically live. They say it's a signal cable for if you're going to connect the machine in tandem with other machines, which in this case we're not. So that one, we're just going to zip tie it up out the way up there so it doesn't interfere with the operation. So we've just managed to switch this over to English. It took us some time. We had to get a Chinese friend to help us, but I'm going to make sure that any further ones shipped are already in English before they're shipped. So if you buy one of these from us, it will already arrive with an English manual and an English interface like that. So in terms of engineering, there's not a great lot to go wrong with one of these, really. This is relatively simple. It's just a motor and like a plastic chain and a plunger. There's a cutter with a little brush. Motors down there to run it. Rollers. So your tape runs round on a track there. When you come to need to change your tape, it comes up here like that. You can change your tape. So if you fancy one of these, I'm able to offer you a kind of relatively affordable entry point into one. If you buy one of these off like one of the bigger office supply firms, you're going to be paying 9,000 or 10,000 quid for some kind of machine like this. We can offer you these cheaper. Now, the reason we can do that, we have an office in Hong Kong, we have one in the UK. We'll arrange that it ships directly to you from the factory. Installation and so on is down to you. So you're going to need a practical chap in your place to do the basic installation and any little small bits of troubleshooting that crop up. In terms of warranty, the factory will put a warranty on it, but actually the factory that makes these, this is the smallest machine they make. They make huge machines for industry, things that pack boxes, things that seal tins, stuff on huge production lines. They can make stuff like this. This stuff's child's play. So once you've got it up and running in your place, the likelihood of it breaking down is highly, highly unlikely. But what we will do is we will put you directly in touch with the factory for support, because they design it. It's they're better placed to tell you exactly how to do something. We had a problem with one of our little rollers on this. This answers little video said just adjust it like that. We did it. It was perfect. So support will be directly with them, and that's one of the reasons that you're paying less money for it. So you're not paying for a team of guys to come out and install it in your place and polish it for you. What's going to happen? It's going to arrive in a wooden crate like I've shown you. You'll assemble it. You'll set it up. So that's the reason you're paying probably half the price that you would pay from one of the big machine supply places. So if you fancy one of those, if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link down below to the website where you can find them. But although rather than hitting buy it now, what I do suggest really is that you go on the contact form instead, get in touch with us, talk to us, because if there's any specific needs, if you need it delivered in a particular way, or you want to do something with VAT or with no VAT, or however you need to do it, or maybe you want 20 of them and you want a deal, in which case we'd put you in touch with the factory direct with a small commission for our trouble. So talk to us. If you fancy one of these, talk to us first, don't just hit buy now. But they are on the website with all the specs and everything that you can look at. And also, if you're in e-commerce, like I said before, don't forget we do. Are you fed up of buying crap tape on eBay and Amazon and places like that? So were we, which is why we have our own line of tape, and it sticks considerably better than the cheap stuff that you're going to buy on the mega platforms. So if you're in e-commerce, have a look at our tape as well. And see if there's something there for you. So thank you for watching, and if you fancy a parcel wrapping machine, now you know who to talk to.